Hello, dear learners. I hope you all are doing well. Are you all ready for your English class? Children, today we are going to talk about this beautiful little creature that flies all around in the garden. They sit on flowers, they sit on leaves, they sit near the pond. Can you guess what am I talking about? Well, let me tell you. I'm talking about the butterflies. And today we are going to read about the yellow butterfly. Let's begin reading the lesson from the book. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. So, where is this yellow butterfly? The yellow butterfly is in Sonu's garden. And Sonu saw the butterfly, and obviously, children, what happens when you see a butterfly? You want to catch it. Similarly, Sonu ran to catch the butterfly. And the butterfly did not sit at one place. It flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. What is a rose bed? A place where a lot of rose plants are planted. The word flew is the past tense of fly. The word saw is the past tense of, yes, you're right, children, past tense of see. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer, and still closer. But then, off flew the butterfly. So Sonu could not catch it. As Sonu went close to the butterfly, what happened? The butterfly flew away. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. So, where did the butterfly go? Let's find out. Near the garden, there was a pond, and in the pond, there was a white lotus. And as you know, a lot of leaves grew around the lotus, and they all floated in water. Floated means to be on the surface of the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. Now what happened? The butterfly went and sat on one of the leaves. And when Sonu went into the water, a splashing sound came. And also the water spread about all around. So what happened? As Sonu neared the butterfly flew away. Where was it? Sonu looked up, he looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. So, children, destination next for the butterfly. Now, where was the butterfly this time? Sonu looked all around to search for the butterfly. And then there was a peach tree near the wall. The peach tree had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on one of the pretty flowers. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. Up, up he climbed. But back it flew down from the tree. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly. So Sonu was determined to catch the butterfly. He wanted to catch the butterfly at any cost. So what happened? He climbed up the tree. And then what happened? The butterfly, as soon as it felt something was nearing it, it flew away. So Sonu jumped back down on the ground and he ran after the butterfly. Chased the butterfly means to go after the butterfly. From the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree. But he could not catch the butterfly. So, where did Sonu see the butterfly first? On the rose, and then on the lotus leaf, and then up on the peach tree. But could Sonu catch the butterfly? No, Sonu could not catch the butterfly. Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. At last, he saw the butterfly. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluttered its wings. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. Sonu was looking all around for the butterfly, and at last he found it. Where was the butterfly? The poor butterfly was caught in a spider's web on the peach tree. The butterfly looked sad. It was kind of stuck because it could not escape. It fluttered its wings. It moved its wings up and down. It twisted and turned. But the spider's web held the butterfly tightly. Poor butterfly. In the middle of the web was a big spider. It looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. So now, because the poor butterfly was caught in the spider's web, it was sad. And in the middle of the spider's web was a big spider, and the spider looked hungry. And it seemed as if the spider wanted to catch the butterfly. So the spider crawled closer to the butterfly. It was hungry and it could grab the butterfly, but before that happened, Sonu ran and caught the butterfly. It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. So children, when Sonu caught the butterfly, he saw that the butterfly was very pretty. It was a yellow butterfly with brown spots. Sonu just loved the little butterfly, but the butterfly looked sad. Sonu did not want it to be sad. Sonu wanted it to be happy. So let's see what happened. Go, said Sonu. Fly away. He let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed on a lotus leaf. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. So, when Sonu saw that the butterfly was unhappy, it was sad, what did Sonu do? Sonu set the butterfly free and he let the butterfly go. He let the butterfly go and enjoy itself on the red rose, on the peach tree, on the lotus leaf, and happily fly from flower to flower. Sonu watched the butterfly go all around his garden, and the butterfly looked free and happy once again. And children, this beautiful lesson has been written by Miss Neelima Sinha. Let's look at the meaning of new words. Around, on all sides. Silently, quietly. Floated, rest on the surface without sinking. Sailed, travel on water. Chased, run after. Caught is the past tense of catch. Escape is to be free from confinement or control. Flutter, to move wings up and down quickly. Crawled, Move forward on the hands and knees. Merrily, happily. Hungry is when you're feeling the need for food. And twist is to turn around. So, children, next time you see a butterfly, do remember how chirpy the yellow butterfly was. Thank you for watching the video, children. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson.